Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook braised pork shoulder with leek and carrot. So I have 2 pieces of pork shoulder, weight about 450 grams. I have 6 stalks of leek and I only use the stem part and just a little bit of the leaf. I have 3 small carrots and cut into half of each, so I've got 6 pieces. 2 cups of pork stock. If you do not have the stock, you can use normal water, it's okay. I have a bit of pork lard, 5 cloves of garlic, I crush it, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. First, I'm going to start off with marinate the pork. So I'm going to marinate the pork with just salt and pepper. Alright, pork is marinated. Now we can go and cook it. And today I'll be cooking on the clay pot. So I have preheated the clay pot. It's quite hot right now. I'm going to put in just a little bit of oil. 1/2 tablespoon of cooking oil just to wet the base of the clay pot. And now I'm going to put in the pork lard. Now the pot is nice and hot and the pork lard here is now releasing the oil. And I'm going to put in the pork shoulder. Just cover it for about 1 minute. Just after 1 minute, this one we need to open it with the cloth. Oh, smells so good. Okay, I'm going to give it a turn. Just gonna cover it for another 1 more minute. After 1 minute, I'm going to open it up. Oh, yes. Look at that. Now I'm going to put in all the garlic, carrot, and leek. I'm going to put in all the stock. Gonna cover the lid. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. Alright, the soup in the pot is already boiling. Look at that. Oh, it looks so yummy. Wow. Alright, we're going to let it simmer in the pot for about 30 minutes. Going to reduce the heat to low heat. And continue to cook for 30 minutes. Alright, it's 30 minutes. Let's take a look at the soup. Oh, look at that. The fragrance of the leek from the soup is so very nice. Okay, it slowly simmer inside. I'm going to take a look at the meat if it's soft. If we can poke the fork through the meat, it is soft. So it's nice and soft. We don't want to cook until it becomes so soft until it like melt, because later on we want to cut it, right? Now I can give it a taste. Wow, it's very tasty, very sweet. It's enough taste, enough flavor, and the soup is really very sweet. At this stage, if you want to add on more seasoning, you can do so, like salt, pepper, or light soy sauce, or any seasoning that you want to add on. But for this soup in this pot now, it's really perfect. So I'm going to cover it back and switch off the heat. Alright, the soup is ready to serve. Now I'm going to sprinkle a bit of spring onions. This is totally optional. But before we eat, we want to cut the vegetable and the meat first. Just cut it. Into a bite size. And for the meat, we can cut it into bite size. Just like that. Now let's try. We're gonna have the soup, pork shoulder, carrot, and also leek. Wow, so delicious. The pork shoulder is so tasty, very soft and tender. For the leek and the carrot, it's so soft and tender and so sweet, and it's very nice fragrance of the leek as well. And for the soup, it's super tasty and super sweet. Really good. I love it. It is so simple to make and yet can be enjoyable for the whole family. If you happen to try, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.